Today I will be instructing you on how to relieve a foreign body airway obstruction using the LifeVac airway clearance device for a choking victim that is immobilized in a wheelchair. Remember, if you feel that you are experiencing an emergency situation, to immediately dial 911. In situations where a choking victim is immobilized in a wheelchair or bed, first, position yourself in front of the choking victim's head. Place the mask over the victim's nose and mouth and push down to ensure that the mask is firmly secured to the victim's face. Tilt up on the chin to position the victim's airway. Push down on the handle of the suction unit. Once the handle is depressed, pull the handle upward with a short, swift tug while holding the mask firmly in place. After each attempt, check the choking victim's airway, the mask, and the suction unit for debris. Continue to repeat those steps until the airway is cleared or the patient goes unresponsive. If the choking victim becomes unresponsive at any point, immediately begin CPR. Thank you for participating in this adult choking emergencies training. I commend you for taking proactive steps to ensure the safety of you and your community.